Morning of May 27th, you might want to turn your volume down. It's very windy still. Not as windy as it was at 4 a.m., but still. Roaring. And last night, well, I'll share my writings with you at some point here, but I was writing about just how calm and beautiful and heavenly the water was. Just a fairy tale fantasy. And then at 4 a.m., wow, right? It got to this. It was roaring even bigger than this at 4 a.m. I should have wore some sort of a little cap. I can't get organized yet. I mean, I haven't yet. Isn't that dove neat? See it there? Yeah, the waters went down. But at 4 a.m. it was crashing up over the shore here. I just couldn't really be bothered to get back up in daylight and show y'all. Last night I was sitting on that lower dock and just tranquil beauty, like fantasy tranquil, and the moon so big you could like reach out and look at it. stretching my back, and you can hardly, you can't, it's like this wind. I've seen this winds around here knock people down. I've seen it knock pizza out of their hands. Because one thing sometimes you don't realize is you're walking along between the buildings. You're like, ho-de-do-de-do, and then between the buildings, when the wind comes up off the water, it just flips whatever's in your hand. And one time this gal she took a step, so this small older lady, not older, like I'm 50 now, so I don't know, anyway, like 55, let's say, and took one step, and then so she only had one foot down, and boom, the wind just blew her, and she landed on her back. There were several of us around, but it was so like, whoa. I know I'm going to get ice. That's a bad one. Go up and use the internet at the library for a bit. And from there, who knows? North Beach, I don't know. Reading, resting, studying. I've been so exhausted, I haven't studied my camera yet. I got so much spiritual studies I'm doing and healing work, and yeah, it's resting. My spiritual guidance is pretty clear on resting in June. Oh wow, right? Look at how far the water is on those. This is May 27th, Thursday. Yep, Thursday, May 27th. Oops. Very, very pretty. I think I've made a pretty good, clear point about the parking down at Maritime Center. I'm going to stop videoing them, and as I walk around town I don't point out certain vehicles, but I think that you can see for yourself that there's other vehicles that are here more than 24 hours. And this being a 15-minute loading, not right. I mean, this is houses up there. Anyway. Right? Wow. The winds were a whipping. And again, the full moon of the, that's so funny, I was going to say, the full moon of the apocalypse. I mean, the full moon last night, just, my writings were like, I feel like I've died and gone to heaven every night. Because I get up in this tranquility of light bouncing off of the bay, right? And nobody's there. And nobody's experiencing that moment but me. You know, I mean, if I lived in a house, I'd be in the house at 4 a.m. I wouldn't be able to see the water. Very, very pretty. And well, over the last year, I missed the waterfront. Like 10 months, I was in my church every day. And well, she's back. Ooh, that's a big old bunch of down there. Yeah, like I was saying yesterday, I walked down over there. It doesn't smell as pleasant as you'd hope, but it's kind of neat. The gal I was walking around with wanted to go down there, so it was a little spooky, but you know, it had to be tough. You can't be letting those gals know that you're not sleeping here, right? And so then you walk around. It's all kind of open in spots, and it's definitely an interesting feeling to be, I don't know, I wonder if they're going to take all that out when they redo it. What I mean is, I know they're going to take all that out, but if they'll be grandfathered into replace it, it'll still be open. Along from the camera blows away. It's so funny, like right now, I mean, the wind is so strong on my back, it's like forcing me forward. And the camera's waving, of course, a little more than usual. They delete me and blah blah blah. Anyway, then I forgot what I was going to say. Well, I can only remember. Oh, so it's the sixth sun. So we're in the sixth sun, like 6,000 years, and it's the ether sun, ETHER. And it's stopped ending, like for Mayan calendar stuff, around December 21st. 2012. Alright. You know you want to say hello to our flowers. Alright, these ones are taking a licking. Love the color of these. See, that one's doing really good. Very pretty. Skittables is open, but I don't got any money on me. I already planned to drive through Mean Bean today. Haven't had coffee in like a week and a half or something like that. I don't drink coffee much. I've been making sun tea, raspberry zinger, and other uncaffeinated. I am on a carbonation break. Probably like 2 weeks in, I don't know. All right, let's go down and look at the water here. Okay. I've examined it. Shut it to the best of my ability. Okay, you ready? Ooh, look at that. You can't help but think, well, what if I dropped my phone? Then I'm looking for my route, how I'd go down there and get it, and then how wet it would be. It'll be a lot less wet today than yesterday, right? Alrighty, look here. Ooh, there's a nice big shell. Sage burning shell there. There's our post office. Not going there today. I don't feel like climbing the stairs every day. It's different than, you know, when I have my church and you get packages and deliveries to give out to people and stuff. Yes, it's quite a process. Now, I could go down there. I might get a little nauseated. Is this thing still on? Wow, yes it is. Hey, did I tell you I walked down there before? Oh my God, this is going to be like the bell tower story. She never shuts up about it. Well, it was weird. I mean, because I'd never done it all the years I'd lived here. Now, those two are having quite a discussion, aren't they? All right, well, here we go. Great big adventure. Are you scared? Should I take my Dramamine? Don't drop your camera, Cece. Then you got sirens. Okay. Camera in pocket. Yeah, I'm like I'm out on a boat, right? She's a waving and a waving and a waving. Odds are one's gonna get wet down here. Oh my gosh, right? Okay, we're gonna walk down there a little bit and we're gonna hang on to something. What, Crystal? I don't know, my wits. Are you ready? Whoa! Oh, it's already even doing it. Whew. Isn't low water awesome? Did I tell you that's the post office through there? Of course, is the ferry. Okay, here we are. Holy crap. Tiny bit nauseated. Let's see if my face is green. Oh my. This feels very, well, I like it. I'm not gonna sit down. Last night at 1, and don't be scared when water hits you, don't scream, Crystal. Oh, okay, nice reminder, thank you, other Crystal. Anyway, I was sitting out on the dock, and it was so calm, not one wave, and the moonlight dancing. You know, the middle of the night, watching the beautiful, huge full moon on the completely calm, fantasy, peaceful water. Now we have this. All right. Well, if I have to swim back to shore, I can do it. I'm a pretty good swimmer, you know. But you know, if this detached, I'd just call for someone to come and get it and just lie down and, you know, yeah, who am I kidding? I'd be blown over there. If you know me, you know I love to surmise about the what ifs for fun. Ooh, did you see that? That's like a sea cucumber or whatever. You see, well, I'll tell you about the market on those another time. But see, they're exposed, the live ones, isn't that neat? There's a lot of them. Some down there, too. Alright, I'm going to see the third one. I'm going to step on that one now, just for a minute. Woo! Oh my fuckery. Whoa! In case you didn't know. Woo! Yeah, that splash was meant for me. Alright, so then we have the critters. We have me possibly getting nauseated. I'm not sure. Let's see. It smells good. I wouldn't want to do it like, you know, all day or live on a boat. Well, the boats are cleared out, as you see. Yeehaw! Right up, cowgirl. Hang on, Cece. Hang on. All right. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into now. I wonder who's watching these videos. Okay, I'm starting to get a little dizzy now. Well, whoever you are, I send you peace, love, healing, and oh my God, grab that grab bar. Whoa! Yeah. I send you the best luck ever, and love, and oh my God, wishes for the most happiest life you could ever stand, and this joy and laughter and adventure every day. So I had a premonition dream right before last, and then it enacted in some way yesterday, and I used to be 2 weeks within 2 weeks. I think time has changed. You know, they got their thing muted because they can't stand to listen to the wind, you know, they're not even listening to you. Is your nose clogged? No, I'm just making a point. Well, you don't have to make a point with your nose like that. Well, you can hear me over the wind if I make a point like that. Home again, jiggity jig. But only for a minute, don't get too excited. Because I got places to go, things to see, people to do. I mean, people to see and things to do. And I got studying and photos and meditation, and it's like the days just went by. When you're a magician manifesting reality, that's what happens. Okay. Whew, I'm still feeling a little wavy. It's fun to do that and then go and lay down for a while and go into the meditation of the ocean, the motion of the ocean. All right, plug your ears. Not because the wind's gone now, but there's a food service truck. In case you didn't know. That's a hard haul there.
This one's going upstairs.
Yeah, I know, it's a hard haul. Those guys, oh my goodness, they take that dolly and just dollies with more stuff and kegs of beer up and down several flights of stairs. Like, if you've been to Sirens, you know those two long. Oh my goodness, right? No, like, little ladder, like a little elevator or anything. They go up those stairs. Oh my God. Yeah. There's gotta be a better way, dude. I think if I had one of these downtown buildings, I'd get me nowadays they have elevators. That you can it's the old, you can pretend it's the old-fashioned Victorian elevator, steampunk sort of deal. But yeah, everything that's consumed in Sirens hauled up those stairs. Oh my God. Okay, enough already about Sirens. Oh, good. No, oh. What are we gonna eat today? I think it's car camping today. This vehicle's interesting. Isn't that cool looking? You see some very interesting vehicles here. I've seen thousands of them. I can't seem to keep my hat on. Oh yes, I was saying car camping today. And then those, one day I might ride one of those. Aren't they neat? I've been really into hummus and celery and crackers, and then no Coca-Cola because I'm on a carbonation So just tea, uncaffeinated tea. And who am I kidding? I went to McDonald's last night too. Hello. And then I think I went